Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Bisbee local and long-distance movers near me. We're not startled by the annual influx of residents into Bisbee, Arizona. We are also unsurprised by the scale of local movements, particularly those from smaller flats and workplaces to larger ones. Of course, everyone desires a taste of the tranquility and several work options that this town offers. However, many individuals are unaware of the critical variables that might ensure a seamless transition from their existing house to the new rental or purchase. One of those considerations is the moving company chosen to assist in packing and boxing delicate objects, lifting big furniture, and even transporting them to the new location. Often, neglecting to employ a moving company early enough during the planning stage might cause a slew of complications. Not only will a professional moving company transport you and your possessions to your newly purchased house or workplace, but they may also assist you with packing, unloading, and arranging them. Regrettably, not all moving firms have the knowledge and ability necessary to do this. 3 Movers, on the other hand, excels in providing all these services. We prioritize hiring the most outstanding hands to move our customers' things, and we are glad to announce that we do not use dishonest employees. A long-distance relocation is stressful and may soon become a source of frustration if you employ inexperienced movers. Additionally, our drivers are knowledgeable and careful while transporting your belongings across state lines. This has enabled us to keep property damage and loss to a minimum. Each time a customer contacts us in need of a long-distance moving service, we rise to the occasion. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.